Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Maximizing vehicle performance with heavy oil. Heavy oil can significantly impact your vehicle's performance. Understanding how this type of oil affects your engine is crucial for maintaining efficiency and longevity. In this post, we will delve into the effects of heavy oil on vehicle performance and explore the best practices for optimizing performance and minimizing wear and tear. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply want to maximize your vehicle's performance, this post will provide valuable insights into the relationship between heavy oil and your vehicle's engine. Understanding the impact of heavy oil on vehicle performance is crucial for ensuring optimal engine functionality and longevity. Let's look into what heavy oil is, the role of viscosity in vehicle performance, and the effects of heavy oil on engine functionality. What is heavy oil? Heavy oil, also known as high viscosity oil, refers to lubricants with a higher density and thickness compared to lighter oils. It is commonly used in high-temperature and high-pressure applications, such as in heavy-duty vehicles and industrial machinery. Heavy oil is designed to provide enhanced protection and lubrication under extreme operating conditions, making it essential for certain types of engines. Viscosity and its role in vehicle performance. Viscosity, the measure of a fluid's resistance to flow, plays a critical role in maintaining optimal vehicle performance. When it comes to heavy oil, viscosity is the key factor that directly impacts engine operation. The viscosity of heavy oil ensures that it effectively coats and adheres to engine components, reducing friction and wear. Moreover, it facilitates proper lubrication of moving parts, thereby contributing to smoother engine operation and improved fuel efficiency. Effects of heavy oil on engine functionality. The use of heavy oil can significantly affect engine functionality in various ways. Firstly, the high viscosity of heavy oil enhances its film strength, providing better protection against metal-to-metal contact and reducing the risk of premature component wear. Additionally, heavy oil can help maintain oil pressure within the engine, especially under high-temperature conditions, ensuring that critical engine components receive adequate lubrication. Understanding the characteristics and impact of heavy oil on vehicle performance is essential for making informed decisions regarding lubricant selection and maintenance practices. By recognizing the role of viscosity and the effects of heavy oil on engine functionality, vehicle owners and operators can optimize the performance and longevity of their engines. Choosing the right oil for your vehicle. Understanding oil viscosity ratings. When it comes to choosing the right oil for your vehicle, understanding oil viscosity ratings is crucial. Viscosity refers to the oil's resistance to flow at different temperatures. The Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, has developed a viscosity rating system to help consumers select the right oil for their vehicles. For instance, a 10W30 oil would have a viscosity grade of 10 in cold temperatures and 30 in high temperatures. It's important to check your vehicle's owner's manual to determine the recommended viscosity for your specific make and model. Factors to consider when selecting oil for high-performance vehicles. For high-performance vehicles, selecting the right oil goes beyond viscosity ratings. Factors such as engine design, driving conditions, and the manufacturer's recommendations play a critical role. High-performance vehicles generally operate at higher temperatures and RPMs, requiring oils with enhanced thermal stability and superior lubrication properties. When choosing oil for these vehicles, consider options that offer improved wear protection, shear stability, and oxidation resistance. Additionally, look for oil formulations specifically designed for high-performance or racing applications to ensure optimal engine performance and longevity. Now that you understand the importance of oil viscosity ratings and the factors to consider for high-performance vehicles, you can make a more informed decision when selecting the right oil for your vehicle. Heavy oil and fuel efficiency. Impact of heavy oil on fuel consumption. Heavy oil, also known as high-viscosity oil, can have a significant impact on fuel consumption. The higher viscosity of heavy oil can lead to increased resistance within the engine, causing it to work harder and burn more fuel to produce the necessary power for vehicle movement. This can result in reduced fuel efficiency, leading to higher fuel consumption and increased operational costs for vehicle owners. Strategies for improving fuel efficiency with heavy oil. Regular maintenance. Consistent maintenance of the vehicle's engine and fuel system is crucial for improving fuel efficiency when using heavy oil. This includes regular oil changes, air filter replacements, and adherence to recommended service schedules to ensure optimal engine performance. Use of fuel additives. Adding specific fuel additives formulated to improve the combustion of heavy oil can aid in enhancing fuel efficiency. These additives can help break down the heavy oil, allowing it to burn more efficiently and reduce the overall fuel consumption of the vehicle. Investing in high-quality heavy oil. Utilizing high-quality heavy oil with advanced formulations can lead to better engine lubrication and reduced friction, ultimately resulting in improved fuel efficiency. Selecting heavy oil with lower viscosity levels can also contribute to enhanced fuel economy. Employing advanced engine technologies. Upgrading to engines equipped with advanced technologies such as turbocharging or direct fuel injection can optimize the combustion process when using heavy oil, leading to improved fuel efficiency and reduced consumption. Driving habits and techniques. Encouraging drivers to adopt fuel-efficient driving habits, such as smooth acceleration and deceleration, maintaining steady speeds and avoiding unnecessary idling, can significantly impact fuel efficiency when utilizing heavy oil. By implementing these strategies, vehicle owners can mitigate the negative impact of heavy oil on fuel consumption and enhance the overall fuel efficiency of their vehicles. Maintenance tips for vehicles using heavy oil. Importance of regular oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial for vehicles that use heavy oil. This maintenance task ensures that the engine is properly lubricated, reducing friction and wear on engine components. Fresh oil also helps to maintain engine cleanliness and prevents the buildup of sludge, promoting overall engine efficiency and longevity. Neglecting oil changes can lead to increased engine strain, decreased fuel efficiency, and potential long-term damage. Monitoring engine performance and oil levels. Monitoring engine performance and oil levels is essential for vehicles using heavy oil. Regularly checking the oil level using the dipstick and observing any changes in engine performance can help detect issues early on. Low oil levels or irregular engine noises may indicate potential problems related to heavy oil usage. Keeping a close eye on these aspects can aid in preventing major engine malfunctions and maintaining optimal vehicle performance. Signs of heavy oil-related issues in vehicles. Vehicles using heavy oil may exhibit specific signs of related issues. These signs can include increased exhaust smoke, decreased engine power, and unusual engine noises. Additionally, the presence of oil leaks or a strong burnt oil odor may indicate heavy oil-related problems. Being attentive to these signs and addressing them promptly can prevent further damage and ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle. Regular maintenance and vigilance are key to addressing heavy oil-related issues effectively. In conclusion, the impact of heavy oil on vehicle performance is significant. By understanding the effects of heavy oil and implementing the necessary maintenance and usage practices, vehicle owners and operators can optimize performance, reduce wear and tear on engines, and prolong the overall lifespan of their vehicles. It is essential to prioritize regular oil changes, adhere to manufacturer recommendations, and utilize high-quality heavy oil to ensure the efficient and smooth operation of vehicles, ultimately saving time and money in the long run. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.